Did you have Jinko jeans or cross colors?
No,
or
no way.
No.
I
what
feel
about
like
FUBU or
nope.
Nope.
That wasn't my style.
Rockaware? No. Just Jordache?
Jordan.
Gap jeans. I've been wearing
Sergio
Gap jeans for
Valente.
30 years.
Fucking Sassoon. Vidal Sassoon.
What was that
Gap
other
jeans, for whatever reason, Gap jeans fit me the best.
one? What about Z Cavariccis?
I used to have those.
I had those.
Yeah, I used to have those.
Every male on Long Island, I think, had those. Probably.
Yeah.
I had a braided leather belt.
Yep.
All right. Trying to think. I had a V-neck sweater with the fucking stripe. It was like had like a navy blue with a maroon stripe, and I had like a white with like a green stripe. All right, that was big, early '90s.
Those satin shirts, long sleeve, button up satin shirts.
Oh, fucking rayon, bro, rayon.
Yeah.
Oh,
there you go.
God.
Those rayon.
Yeah.
I don't remember those.
Paisley, you don't remember Paisley?
Rayon shirts, button up.
Paisley prints.
I remember Paisley,
Yeah.
Remember Stacks, that store
Yeah.
over there?
Yeah.